Yo, here we go. Check it out. The beautiful Cartier Santos in the building. Yo, what's up, people? This your boy P. Ross, and we are back in the building with another video. And right now, I'm just simply talking, okay? Just simply jabbering off at the mouth because I want to show y'all this vintage Oris here, okay? You know what I'm saying? Originally, I had it on a leather strap from Straps Co., I believe. But I said, you know what? Let me take out the original bracelet that it came on and let me put it back on there, right? And when I put it back on there, I realized that this bracelet with this watch is perfect the way it freaking is, okay? Isn't that freaking beautiful? See that? See how beautiful that is? Look at that. Look at that. All gold, everything. You know what I mean? And the bracelet, you know, in vintage style, of course, from back in the day. You know what I mean? Amazing freaking watch right here. You know what I'm saying? I just wanted to show y'all this. I'm gonna show it to y'all on the wrist right quick. You know what I mean? You know, check it out right there. Ain't that beautiful? That is one beautiful watch. I had to make this video because it's beautiful. It is a thing of beauty, okay? Check that out. Vintage Oris, 17 jewels, anti-shock, all of that, yo. You know what I mean? Thing of beauty, man. Thing of beauty. This your boy P. Ross, and we're about to get up out of here. But before we do, yo, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. You know what I mean? Check out the SoCal Watch Reviews podcast. Do all that, you know what I mean? And we out. Peace.